YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, if you're one of my current subscribers, welcome back. So this is going to be a pretty short video. Just thought I'd share some of the cars that were at the last car show I went to in 2018 as we get ready to go into car season here in 2019. So hope you enjoy these. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. Enjoy. the cars from the last car show I went to last year. As you can probably tell, it was close to Halloween. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing the cars. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, or over here, wherever it is. And after you've hit the subscribe button, hit that notification button so you know the next time we have videos coming out. Because we do everything from working on cars, working on motorcycles, working on SUVs, to car shows, and hopefully we're going to be getting some races on here also this season. So thanks for watching. God bless and hope you have a great day.